Alright, welcome gamers. Today we're going to be playing Fortnite Battle Royale. We're going to be doing the Explosive Repeater Challenge. I'm going to be doing this with my boy Oakley. And we're just going to try to go get a victory royale. See how this goes. Alrighty.
Alright, we touched down in
Ooh,
Mexico.
I got my first one. Here we go.
Lucky guy.
68 damage. You know what that is.
Come on, a lot of kids over there. I don't have any ammo, so.
Got one.
Bro,
Yep.
are you Russian?
At the moment I am. But I don't think they're real. I think they're fake.
Oh yeah, that's what we like to see.
So, which is lucky.
Love to see that.
Ooh, they had one
Ooh.
for me. I got two now.
I need to find some ammo.
And a third.
Third,
You got
dang.
three.
This dude's like literally the breed. He lives and breeds the damn explosive rifle repeater.
Here we go.
Here we go!
Hey, you find any more? Let me know. Oh, damn. We can't edit though, chat. We can't do that. Oh, I found another. I found one. There we go.
Here we go. I don't know what this. What is this thing? Oh, it moves faster with pickaxe. Ooh, a fourth one. Good job.
Thank you, pal.
Dude, I'm almost got 5 of them, bro.
I
got 4.
Gosh,
I need
dang.
one more.
Y'all, you guys are really gonna see why I'm the best at dirt bikes. Let me tell you that. Oh shit! Ah!
Dang. Alright.
Thanks. 83. Of course it has to be.
Alright.
Hey, you ready?
Oh, that good? Alright.
Yeah. 38, 72.
I'm getting shot out. So.
Alright.
Alright, I'm dead. No, not you. Oh my gosh, he's above.
Are you kidding me? Alright.
Not the greatest.
Ready up. Take 2.
Yep, take 2.
Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it again.
Yeah,
Last
well,
round did not go so
hopefully we don't do it again, you know?
No.
I'd
This time.
rather win.
You know what I mean? Like, we get all that good stuff again, but this time we're locked in. Hey,
Yeah.
we gotta get that mental up.
Hey,
Locked in.
that's true. That's true.
Locked
Look at
in.
that. Pump power, baby.
Pump power. You wanna know what else is pumped?
Me.
Oh, yeah. Wow, there's a lot of kids here. You know, why did we go here when we can only get...
Honestly, I don't know why I wanted to land here, to be honest. Maybe it should be like a whole on. Just get out of here. You know.
I'm down. Wait. Come here. Come here.
That does not work anymore.
We could just stay. Think about it's this vehicle. Oh, I seen a dirt bike. Aw.
Hey, let's check out the gas station. See if there's any guns in here. Probably not, but we can hope.
We gotta go. Wait,
You-
kids. Oh wait, never mind. He's leaving. He's leaving. Hiding.
This might be a scuffed game. Oh, a repeater.
Yeah, this is awesome for me.
Yeah. Hey, I got a gun. That means I can defend myself. Now we gotta go get you a gun.
Hey, I got the Kamehameha, but I can't hit people with it.
Wait, what?
I got the sword.
Oh.
Isn't that a Kamehameha? Wait, no, that's the anime thing.
Yeah. Hey, I got a repeater.
Oh yeah, I got a repeater.
Alright, we got two now. I got one.
Careful,
Oh, a
Phil.
third one. I don't know why, but sometimes these smaller locations just have all of them.
Let me know if you find another one. Yeah, wait, kids. Wait, no, those aren't kids.
Hey, we could go take over that, you know?
Oh yeah, I forgot. We could take over this. Sorry guys, I'm gonna rush you to Fortnite now.
Ow!
Oh, kids.
Ow! That hurt. Goodbye!
Ah, now
Good
you
see
see
you,
what
gamer.
Too bad this little Caitlyn didn't have any. Oh, I almost jumped off completely.
You gamer. You like that? It's really fun, isn't it?
Really? I keep missing my shots. These is so whack. Do not build up to me. Okay. Exactly what he's doing.
You know, that's what people like to do. They like to be fun.
I knocked one.
Hey,
Come on, kid. Don't be a pussy. Ah, you're. Sorry. He's probably buzzing. What the?
I just got one punch. Oh my! Oh!
Wow, we love Fortnite, dude. We
Thanks, Fortnite. Thank you. How did that not kill him? How did that not kill him? He hit me through that wall! Is not the
Watch this, watch
slightest
this.
of the bunch.
Watch this, YouTube.
He just gave away our position. Because that's what folks do. They like to go, get away. I like to make sure people know where they are.
Yeah, close enough.
They want you to know what skill they have. Even though you use a simple A.
Yo, the other team's doing the same thing as us.
I'm telling you, it is a strat. We copy that.
No, they're literally doing the same thing as us, right?
Yeah, I know.
34. 34 again.
Cracked one. Cactus sweat in its natural habitat, which is quite rare for my species.
Yo, like P68, right? Nah, let's go.
Cracked one.
Let's go!
And we won this. We finally won a match. Epic victory royale.
Let's go! Hey, 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 we finna end the night with that. How about that, Raiden? Hey,
Hell yeah.
hope all of you
Hey,
guys have a
good
blessed
game.
night, blessed day, whenever y'all are watching this. Hey, but like and subscribe. See you next time, buddies.
Like he said, like and subscribe, hit that like button, and you'll have a great day.